Welcome to the unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. 12GB of RAM and 1TB of storage. Out of the box, we have Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus, data cable, travel adapter, SIM card ejection pin, USB connector, earphones by AKG. Here we have the S10 Plus, dynamic AMOLED, a nearly frameless Infinity O display. The default resolution is Full HD+, which can be changed to Quad HD+ in the settings. Up here in the corner we have dual cameras with a notification light when entering in the camera application. They can record at UHD. The left camera at 10 megapixel and on the right is at 8 megapixel. Now the camera on the right is RGB depth camera, which means it can calculate the distance to what it is taking picture of. They have removed the iris scanner, but they still have the face recognition. But I would strongly suggest using the ultrasonic fingerprint scanner. The brightness level of the S10 can go up to 1200 nits, with rich tones and amazing contrast. Fresh display with HDR10+, and also has 42% less blue light. Display size at 6.4 inch, Gorilla Glass 6, resolution at 1440 by 3040, and a pixel density PPI 522 pixel per inch. Embedded in the display is the world's first ultrasonic fingerprint scanner. On the bottom of the smartphone you have 3.5mm headphone jack, USB-C, a mic, and a speaker. On the right side we have the power button, and on the left side we have the Bixby button that is customizable now, and we have volume keys. On the top you have the SIM slot, where you can have 2 SIM cards or an expandable storage up to 1.5 terabytes. And here we have a speaker, stereo speakers. Since this is a phone with a submerged back, this weighs at 198 grams, 175 grams for the glass version, and has a IP68 dust waterproof resistance. It has also the new Wi-Fi 6, which can seamlessly switch to LTE to hit speeds up to 2 GB. On the back here we have a triple camera setup. On the left we have 12 megapixel telephoto lens. The second camera is a 12 megapixel wide angle camera, and the third one is a 16 megapixel ultra wide camera. And on the side you have your heart rate sensor, etc. I must add that the back is ceramic and the device has reverse wireless charging, which means you can charge your compatible devices, and the battery is at 4100 mAh. Since I'm in Norway, the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus is running on a Exynos 9820. And as I said earlier in the video, this is the 12GB of RAM and 1TB storage version. When it comes to color, it comes in Prism White, Prism Black, Flamingo Pink, Prism Blue, Prism Green, and Canary Yellow. Now, for the Samaric version is Samaric White, Samaric Black. Colors are regional based and versions of the phone.